So in this video I want to show you how to adjust the date and time settings on Asus Zenbook. And to do this we'll need to click on the start and open a settings. Right here go for the time and the language. Select date and time. Here you will see your current date and time set on this PC. And there's also set time automatically, which by default should be enabled, and I don't recommend to turn it off, but if you really want to do that, then when it's off you'll be able to manually choose your date and time on this device, but it may be you may encounter some problems with the network connection and stuff like that when you choose to set it manually. Now let me turn it back with automatic settings. Then we can change the time zone. It's optional, but by default I think it should detect where you're at, and I think that's all of the settings that we can change right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.